hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and you guys are watching Ritu's Rainbow World. So as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about a part 2, or rather I would say a video where I will include all my favorite lip colors, and that would be from only one brand, which is Mion Superstay. Now I know this brand is not so much, it is underhyped. Rather we have seen a lot of brands which is overhyped, but this is actually underrated or underhyped or whatever terminology you want to use. These are the ones, and I also has some other brands like Insight. These are which is not spoken by a lot of people, but actually these are the brands which I personally love, and I would definitely want to draw your attention because it is affordable as well, and the quality is also amazing. So the first thing first, I'll start with my lip color that I'm wearing, and if you really wanted to know how I created this particular makeup look, I have already uploaded the video, or the video will come up definitely. Do check out that. So I will let you know regarding the brand first. This is something called Me and On. So this is the brand which is amazing. I have been using this for like about 2 years. Not this particular lip color, but again these are all the new lip colors that I have, and I've already shown in the part 1. These are the ones that I always use, and many of you guys will like to know from where I got this. This is from Home Center. Very inexpensive, like 200k अंदर का range का है, but again which is very good quality. And yeah, this is from Home Center. It's a very good quality and very easily जैसे आप रखते हो ड्रेसिंग टेबल पे, whatever color, the colors and everything, the shade numbers and everything can be easily seen from here, and you can use it. I have 3 brands basically. I have Malio Superstay, I have Mion Superstay, so both the brands, and again I have Insight and just one blue heaven. So these are the affordable lip colors, mostly in क्या कहते हैं, न्यूड तो नहीं बोल सकते, बट अगेन हाँ काइंड ऑफ अ न्यूड, वेरी लाइट कलर एंड वेरी डिफरेंट टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. सो फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, आई विल start with my what I'm wearing, और ये कहीं हो गया है, which is a rosewood. This is Mion Superstay in the shade rosewood. ये सही में हो गया क्या? Actually हो गया है. And I get this color, which is I am gonna show it one by one. I'll try to give you a swatch as well. So this is rosewood. The color जो भी है वो बैक पे है, and now this is more like a same of Malio, which I will show you. Oh yeah. Okay. So this is Malio and this is Mion. So they looks exactly similar क्योंकि at the back आपको colors दिख जाएंगे इसके, but only difference is a little bit of length और quantity का फर्क है. So yes, I would like to show how it looks like. The color is like this. It is rosewood, a very beautiful color. Looks very good actually. My favorite in dark shade. Now I don't wear red color lip shade, but again when it comes to this, it is amazing. So this is my first. Next I will again move to Mion Superstay. This is Ruby Woo. Now MAC का एक color है, I think that is also Ruby Woo. It's very much similar to that. You can call that as a dupe, and I will show how the color is. The color is more like a red, but not that much red. I will show it here. So this is the color, which is Mion ka Ruby Woo. I'll move to the next. This is not nude, so I'll alternately show you nude or little tinchy color. This is again Superstay ka Glamour Rose. This is what the color is. It looks the same. Whatever is in this index color, it looks almost the same. Almost नहीं, 99.9 same है. So this is what it is. More like a pinkish, not very much on a red side. And after wearing, this looks very pretty. It comes more like a peach. बहुत हद तक peach जैसा दिखता है, which is again Glamour Rose. This is also from Mion. Next I will move to the color nude. It is pretty much nude, the index color, and I will categorize this part as a little tinchy color and this part as a nude color. Amazing nude. This is my favorite actually. Nude, and I will swatch it at the back. So that deeper skin tone also, because my hand is tan, so deeper skin tone के ऊपर ये कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा. But again you can intensify with the help of coatings. So this is in the shade nude. Next I'll move to Honey Rose. Now this is also almost a kind of a nude shade. Very pretty. I'll show you the color. It is very pretty. This is what it is. Little darker than this nude, but absolutely I love this Honey Rose. They have flawless range. That is something which attracts me more compared to the Lakme and the Maybelline brands. To be very honest, this is something which is very honest. And now I'll move to the Malio part. Malio, this is Superstay non-transfer wine color. Now these are also non-transfer. Yes, this is non-transfer. Non-transfer. Now this is also Superstay non-transfer. The shade is wine. Now these lip shades, neon, they all costed me, I got it on wholesale, so it costed me around 135 something ka range, and they were very good. And now I'll move to the Malio. Malio, this is wine color. This is what it is, wine. Very pretty color by the way. I loved it. I have actually used it, so iska thoda wo bhi bigad gaya hai. So it is a very beautiful color. The shade number is 04 wine. It comes with a shade number. However, this neon doesn't have any shade number. It's just have the index color. Then I'll move to the next, which is On Fire. It says On Fire, but it is not a darker shade, to be honest. The shade is somewhere like this. And wow, it is actually a nude pink color. This is a nude pink color, and this is the shade On Fire. Next, these are personally my favorites, so that's the reason I am showing. I'm not showing all the colors because they are not my everyday cup. I'll move to the next brand, which is a Beauty People. This is a brand, again my personal favorite brand, and it is not at all overhyped, and not even if this is hyped, to be honest. Not many people knows regarding Beauty People. This is shade number 109. I've used it so badly कि हालत ही खराब है. This is more like a nude. So this nude and this nude is almost the same, but the texture is different. This is creamy. The others were almost matte, so they were not creamy. Okay. So what's next? This is a high end. Now one more thing, if in a high end, let me show as well. This is from Body Shop, Goa Mongolia. This is my very much favorite, but again this is not affordable. This is for $6.99, a little expensive. It is a kind of a matte, though it will settle down. The color is exactly the same as you can see in the bottle. It is the same. And this is from The Balm. It says it's a lip gloss, but it's not a lip gloss. It is actually a lip color, but it acts like a balm. It will moisturize your lips. So ये है pink color, the top one. This is the one, kind of a pink. Does a great job. It is also a little expensive, $5.99. These are expensive, but I love them. I usually wear them. Next, I'll move to okay. I got one Neon ka Superstay Almond Pink. This is again non-transfer, matte, but it is very much क्या कहते हैं, nudish. The color is somewhere like this. This is the color, and actual color is this. This is again my personal favorite. कितने बार use किया I don't know, but amazing. This is the one. So these are all nudes. These are all the darker shades. I love both of them because जब आप lips पे लगाते हो उतना ज़्यादा dark नहीं लगता है. This is again a matte finish. It is not a creamy one. However, जो ये था, this is a creamy one from Body Shop. So sorry. Next, I'll move to Swiss Beauty. This is shade number 23, matte. It is complete matte. I'll just swatch it for you. This is also for like 145 kuch ka tha. Again, very inexpensive, but must hai, like must hai. So this is what the color is. This is the color. It's amazing. This is my personal favorite. पता नहीं इसको मैंने कितने बार यूज़ किया. Even in the Darjeeling vlogs you will see me. Manali के vlogs you will see me. So this is completely liquid, non-transfer. Iconic nude is the color, and the shade number is 23. Easily आपको Amazon में ही मिल जाएगा. Next again, okay, Leon Beauty. This is again one liquid lipstick from Leon Beauty. It is again बहुत nude की तरफ है. So mostly it is nude color. My favorites are the nude colors. So this is the one. I have actually loved this. My personal favorite after the Swiss Beauty. And then I have two colors of Insight. This is also non-transfer liquid lipstick from Insight. And the shade number is 13, which is Toffee Cream. Amazing. Even I love this. I have actually 3 Insight ke colors. The first one is Toffee Cream. I just swatch, whatever for you. So this is the color. ये वाला अमेजिंग कलर. मैंने इसको बहुत बार यूज़ किया है, और अगेन आई थिंक इसकी हालत ख़राब है. इसको रीपर्चेज करना है. इट्स ऑल गॉन यूज्ड, बट अगेन स्टिल आई थिंक आई कैन यूज़ इट ओवर 6 months. से इतना अमाउंट में ये सारे लिपस्टिक्स कम लगते हैं, एंड इट लास्ट रियली लॉन्ग टाइम. स्टे इनका बोल सकते हैं 6 hours इज़ द मैक्सिमम. The next shade is Ferocious Pink. Again, this is from Insight. Okay. And this is also very amazing color. Like, again, my one of the favorites, which is this color. This one. बहुत ही अमेजिंग कलर है. इट इज़ मोर लाइक अ ड्यूप ऑफ दिस बाय द वे. जो बॉडी शॉप का है ना, it is more like a dupe of this, because Body Shop one is like $5.99, which is expensive one. So yes, the Mongolia, this is a dupe. These two looks little different, but actually are the same colors. It's just that bottle thoda dark hai, but this is again, and this shade is Ferocious Pink in Inside Cosmetics. And the last but not the least is this Charm. It is a kind of a reddish one, which I rarely use, but again is my good favorite, specifically during the festivals. Obviously when you wear sari, you have to wear a little darker, so this is the one. This is Charmed, again from Inside Cosmetics, non-transfer. The last one is a Blue Heaven. This is complete nude, I guess. I don't know the color, but this is, it looks like this. It is a complete nude, and I will swatch this. So this is the one. थोड़ा अलग nude है, chocolatey nude. So these are all the lip colors which are my personal favorite, and do let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section, and I will definitely reply from where you can buy it. The Inside Cosmetics, you can buy it from their website. Now all the other ones you can definitely buy it from Amazon, but again in the Amazon they are little pricey, like Leon Beauty, Swiss Beauty. These are little costly ones. If you really wanted to purchase them at a wholesale rate, then do contact me. I will give you link or a Facebook profile or a WhatsApp number where you can actually book your order, and they will be supremely inexpensive, and you can actually wear this. So this is also for the beginners who don't want to spend a lot of money in lip colors and who are not working yet. So for them also this video is, you can definitely go ahead and purchase any one of them. I hope this video was a little helpful. If yes, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, comment down below, and follow me on Instagram for a lot of updates, and I will definitely see you in the next video.